Now we are going to see about the chapter 1. It's called as a function. In this last previous chapter you have to see about the introduction to Python. It is also the Python should be as a web-based programming as well as connected to as a C and C++. So based on this C and C++, now we are going to see about the what are the features in C and C++. What are the difference between C and C++? In based on the C is a top-down approach programming. C++ is a bottom-up approaching. Okay. So generally we have to write by the C programming. The coding should be maximum of length to 30, and you will be writing the simple programming. But in C++, nearly it goes for 25 lines. But in Python, as well as it transfers to 14 to 15 lines. The program line should be reduced by this going on. So that's now we are using in a Python programming. Python is a user-friendly program. It's mingled with, interact with C and C++. So calculation should be done in Python. How calculation should be done in Python? Based on this platform using by the C and the C++ platform. Okay, so now we are going to see about the C and C++. What is mean by C and C++? In 11th standard you are seeing our maximum you see about the C++ programming, but little bit you have to give to the introduction. What is mean by C++? C++ is a increment operator. Okay, C++ is a increment operator, not should be a decrement operator. Whatever the value should be given, it should be going on the incremented value. The starting value must be 0 to it can going for infinity. Whatever value should be given, whatever the result should becomes, whatever the result should be entered in the process means the initial value, the starting value must be in zeros. Okay, the starting value or initial value must be entered in a zeros values. So in this entering as a zeros value means the initial value must be 0. There will be no any negative value should be entered in the back side of the programming. Okay, it is called as a C++. C++ means an increment operator. So based on this increment operator, now we are going to see about the function. So what is meant by function? The most important criteria in returning an error, evaluating the algorithm in the time taken by the complete task, having their meaningful composition of the algorithm during their computation time must be the interactive with their programming language is called as a function. So based on this function, the first command should be function specification, parameter and argumental values, interface and implementation, pure function. What is the merits and demerits given by the function, and what is the effect should be implemented by the function given by the suitable programming. It is called as a main thing. So surrounded by the all basic building blocks of the computer programming, will be surrounded by all small structures of the given code that can be used to performing by the particular task that can be used in a rapidly given by the rapidly means suddenly given by the result. Whatever should be, suppose you are using the basic calculator, press 2 and press as a plus symbol and press as a 5. The answer should be immediately answer should be given as a 7 in using the simple calculator. It is the result should be comes immediately. Wherever the equal symbol will be pressed, the output should be comes immediately. It is called as a rapidly statement. The programming is called as a subroutines are called as a function. Same statements are repeated it again and again is called as a subroutine programming. Regular routine programming should be given by the C or C++ or using by the Java or used by the Oracle or using by the Python programming. Okay, it is called as a function. So based on these functions, we are repeating the statement in the programmings or in a language. What is the language should be given? A function is a unit of the code often by the different within the greater code statement in a specification function containing in the coding of working with many kind of various operation, expression and procedure for creating the output. It's called as a programming language. So why should we create the programming language? The programming language should be created by everything will comes under the output categories. It is called as a given by the programming. So the function specification, what is the function specification by given by the program? What is the function should be written in this programming? Let us consider the expressions of the two values. What is the expression of two value? A equal to 24, B equal to 25. What is the answer should be given? Simply value should be as a 49. Okay, so that's the blocks of the given. What is the blocks will be? It is called as a blocking statement. In C++ programming, this symbol is called as a curly braces. In some other programming, there will be a tag will be given. It is called as a opening tag and a closing tag. In the function specification, there will be one curly braces is called as a building blocks or blocking statement. It is called as a blocking statement. Runs command under the building blocks of the within the programming is called as a function specification. And parameter and argumental values. Parameters are variable in which the function definition, and arguments are the value which are passed in the function definition is called as a parameter and argumental values. The parameter without typing a letter function definition is created by this some lexical analytical programming. Okay, what is the lexical analytical programming? The parameter and the value should be which passed to the variable. What is the variable should be given? A equal to 5 and B equal to 6. It is a basically value should be given in each element. Right? What is mean by each element should be given? What is each variable should be given? A comma 5 and 5 comma 6. Okay, it is called as a numerical values, and this one called as a variable. The variable should be written as a equal to 5 and B equal to 6. That should be the C equal to A plus B means 5 comma 6 equal to 11. This is called as a sequential values. So the data type will be, what is my data? 5 comma 6 is a data. What is the variable should be collecting here? A comma B is a variable. Data should be collected by this programming content. Next point you got to see as a function. What is mean by the function? A function definition which called as a itself is called as a recursive function. Another function is called as a recursive function. What is called as recursive function? The function definition which calls itself is called as recursive function. Okay, all functions are a static definition, that is known as a dynamic function definition. Static values, standard value should be given. A equal to 5 means B equal to 6 means entire programming when the output should be given, when the output will be executed, the value cannot be changed, cannot be modified, or cannot be retrieved back from the same positional content. At the end of the program, the value should be retained it back and back again and again. Okay, it is called as a recursive function. A functions are static or a definition that are a non-dynamic function definition. Next, interface and implementations. Interface is a set of action that is on objects can be done. It is called as a interface function. And implementation should be given. The data declaring the combinations of the external interface function should be implemented in each programming. It is called as a logical analytical programming based on the conditions. For an example, press the electrical switches in the light goes on may be not having their specific values. Okay, it is called as a object oriented programming. What is mean by the object oriented programming? When will be entered, the coding should be typed here, output should be executed. It is called as a based on the function, objects, member function and friend functions created by these all is called as a object oriented programming. Interface is a describing all functions classes must have the order has been the new interface values. It is called as a interact values and interface values. Okay. The implementations creates the out of the interactions definition in their interface. The value should be interacted in the interface means the but won't actually done it. The value should be here A equal to 5 means entire program should be A equal to 5. The value should be B equal to 6 means entire program A equal to 5, B equal to 6. But in specification, implementation means some other value should be implemented in a specific value. What should the implemented value should be given? A equal to 0, B equal to 0. In output section, the programming should be asked as a enter the value of A, enter the value of B. Now you have to create as enter the value of A equal to 2, enter the value of B equal to 3. The output should be comes under 5. So whatever it should be, value should be entered. It is called as a implementation. It is called as a interface values. Next, characters to be of interface. What is the characters of interface? The class template specification interface to enable objects that can be created in a operated properly. The operator function should be created in their operator some specific categories, and objects are alternatives to their behavior is a control by sending the functions to be objects is called as a characteristics of interface. Okay, so next function should be created by the same values, and other function should be created by the same value is a pure function. What is meant by the pure function? Pure functions are a function which will given in a extract result which in their same argumental should be passed. What will be the same argumental value should be passed in the entire programming. Suppose you got to create it as a equal to 0, b equal to 0, x equal to 5, y equal to 6. This replacement value, what is the replacement value should be given? Now you have to be created by a x equal to a, y equal to b. Okay, now x equal to a, y equal to b, it is called as a pure function. Now the a should be replaced as a x, b should be replaced as a y. The conditional statement, the function which is will be given an exact result which in the same argumental value should be passed. Evaluating the pure function does not causes any side effects to the output. The value should be changed. A equal to 0, b equal to 0. Here x equal to 5, y equal to 6. The value should be replaced as a equal to 5, b equal to 6. It cannot be affect the original programming. It cannot be affect the original programming. Okay, the evaluation should be function does not causes any effects, does not causes any damage to the original programming. The output should be executed. What will be the input value should be given, output should be executed automatically. Okay, then is a pure function. Another one is a impure function. What is the impure function? The variable used inside the function may be caused in the some side effects to the function. What is the side effects given by the some alternative programming? Value should be given by the some result should be executed by automatic section. Okay, now you have to see as a y equal to y plus a. What will be the answer should be given? Or y equal to y plus x. Return value as a y. That is considered as a y equal to 0. And should be given as a y or x value should be. It is called as a impure function. The side effects cannot be affect the original program, but here the original programming affected by a or x. It is called as a impure function. Pure function cannot be affected, but impure function can be affected by the original programming. And it is the main purpose of creating the function. It is will be used in this all conditional comes on the C++ programming based on C or C++ by the using the platform of Python. Okay, thank you.